you for today's video sponsor, Necessaire.
Hey guys, it's Shelby Michelle with Farmhouse Living and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fun one. We are sharing the complete renovation, the after, finally, of my primary bathroom. So we showed this in our pre-renovation home tour of my new house, and that was in March or February. And now it is the end of November.
Yes.
And so it's pretty crazy how far it's come along. We've kind of forgotten how dramatic the befores were compared. We were just looking at them and
it's shocking.
It's shocking.
It's shocking.
We've come a long way.
Totally different space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the befores. This bathroom was a Jack and Jill with an entrance to the hallway and an entrance to the bedroom. So really was not made for the primary, but not only that, it is small. So I know that standards for the size of a bathroom, specifically for a primary retreat, are different. You know, if you live in Europe, it might be teeny tiny, or New York, or whatever.
But should be big if you live in Texas.
In Texas, we like
our bathroom.
big bathrooms.
Yes.
So we are going to show you how we did that, making even the smallest space feel like a luxury spa experience.
Yeah.
So we started by tearing out the insert. When we removed the door, we immediately could expand the shower. And it was only 6 inches deeper, which doesn't sound like it would make...
That was half of your bench seat. So it was a big deal.
So really what Mom and I decided was to come out level to the wall right here, which was to the water closet. And then we tiled the entire thing, even the ceiling, with Chloe tile, which is a very popular tile. It has a variation. The variation gave a organic feel.
Mm-hmm.
Classic, like a Subway, but not. It looks handmade.
A lot of times people use something different in the niche, but you just went ahead and used the Chloe. It's just from head to toe Chloe, and I love the niche because it was a great idea to elongate it just to give the more even dramatic effect of the size of the shower.
Yeah. Speaking of the niche, you will see displayed in it a new product line that I've started using, which is our sponsor for today's video. It's Necessaire, and y'all, if you want your bathroom to feel like a true spa retreat, no matter small or large, it is amazing. And I mean, I will say, I'm just gonna say it, the packaging is beautiful. So that was something I loved, but then when I started using them, I really loved it. They sent me the whole holiday body collection, and the body exfoliator has been by far my favorite. It's been very effective, so my skin is soft, but then it's gentle. Like, you know, you're not getting the sulfates, the parabens, all of that junk.
That's the most important.
Yeah, we don't want that. We
want pretty
products that are clean and good for your body.
That's right.
So that is what we have here. It's a great option for a Christmas gift. So my mother is very hard to shop for. She will say she's not true. But she just
soft.
she deserves a spa-like experience. So this type of gift is perfect. It's really easy, and it's also like everyone can enjoy it, and it comes with different options. So they're going to be able to experiment, see what they like, and then which, you know, if there's something they really like, the body exfoliator or the serum or whatever, they can go on the Necessaire website and they can purchase what they're feeling, what's kind of their jazz. And so I really loved it. Love the way it looks, love the way it feels. We do have a discount code for you. It is FARM10, and you get 10% off your Necessaire purchase. I have the link in the description, and you can have your own spa-like experience, whether your bathroom's renovated, small, big, like the Texas bathrooms, or not. Honestly, tiling the ceiling, it made it look so tall. These ceilings are 8 feet tall. This is not a tall bathroom. I knew I wanted it because it was in an inspiration I saw, but honestly I didn't know it was going to have that effect.
Yeah.
We also did the frameless glass all the way to the ceiling. Gives a little bit of a steam spa-like experience.
Yes.
And I really like it so far. So Mom really was the boss of the floors, I guess we should say. I was a little overwhelmed because the countertops were quartzite that looked like a marble, and the house came with that, which is amazing. I love the countertops, but I was initially envisioning like a natural stone looking floor that also would give a luxurious feel.
Well, I thought of a natural stone look, but I was thinking more of a blue, like
moody
slate,
yeah,
almost. Yeah, that's
almost
what I
like
thought.
that soapstone style look. We found an Amber Interiors photo that we loved, and Mom just ran with it. We brought some of these tiles home, and from different flooring stores actually, compared them, let it marinate for a second, and this was the perfect marriage between the Chloe, the quartzite, and the floor. And so I feel like if you're really trying to make an impact in a small space, choosing the right materials, that I think like natural stone just looks expensive. It looks luxurious, it looks beautiful. So that's, and honestly, none of this was expensive. So
I don't think so.
I mean, it's
an average price. It's not a high end.
Yes.
It's not really a low end. It's an average price. One of the other things that were really packed a punch and gave a lot of impact was all the mirrors, lighting, hardware. You did a great job picking details that were sophisticated and really elevated the space.
Yeah, we started, of course, with the faucets, the shower head, that I knew I wanted kind of that muted antique gold. I invested in a nice Delta. I mean, this was a little bit of investment, but the Delta rain head, and y'all, the color is I mean, the function's great, but I was really the color was the color was really what I was looking for. We did gold faucets. The plumber was coming that day, so we ran to Lowe's, got that done. Love that actually they coordinate, not perfectly, but pretty darn good.
Yeah, they're perfect, I think.
We also found arch mirrors. So I was on the hunt for arch mirrors for a while. Mom and I went back and forth. She was like, we could add an arch to your medicine cabinet, or we were just trying to figure out a way to incorporate that trend because we liked it. And finally, we just found these arch mirrors at Lowe's, but they had a silver frame, so affordable, y'all. Actually less than $70.
Right. But everywhere else we looked, we found they were very expensive.
Yeah.
So we went ahead and we bought them with the silver frame and rub and buff.
Yeah. Rub and buff is magic. So if you find something and you're like, oh, it's just
If you don't know about rub and buff, I didn't even know when Shelby first told me I'm going to rub and buff, I'm like, what's
she
that?
got spray paint, but
I thought it was a spray paint.
It just looks more organic than a typical spray paint, and I like that the tone has a little bit of variation. I got this lighting, and I believe it was from Etsy. I will confirm and link it below, but what I liked about it was that the glass shade kind of had a reeded vintage feel.
It's so beautiful.
I feel like it's very sophisticated.
Yes. I have to say, I'm a little jealous of this whole space.
I
want a spa bath.
Mom's bathroom's not done. So
it's my last big
But her bathroom is huge. So although I will say the con to a small bathroom is there's a little bit of, it's a design dilemma, making it feel like very luxurious. But the pro, this is pretty cost effective,
right?
Because I was just tiling this much and this much, and
we're waiting because we're tiling this
a lot. So actually, that's
yeah.
fun. I'm gonna pop up Mom's current bathroom currently, her big Texas bathroom, and I'm also gonna pop up our renderings that we had made for her bathroom, because I feel like you can see how we would do a luxurious retreat
grand
bathroom in a big space and a small space. The last element that we did was we put a window covering on. It's the same shade that we used in the living room, It's just a very affordable Home Depot shade. It adds a warmth and a texture that the bathroom needed. We also got some texture in these towels, the wooden bench.
Target towels.
Target towels. And then we have a wooden bench that we got from an estate sale. And then I stole this faux plant from Mom, which I believe is from Target.
It is.
So anyways, I'm going to pop up some befores and afters. I honestly
Love it.
I love it. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. So
All right.
that's
a wrap.
that. We did it.
We did it.
Okay, how many rooms down do we have? We've done the living room.
2.
The living room. So in my new house, if you watch the pre-renovation home tour, we've done the living room, the playroom,
Oh yeah, the playroom.
the living room, the playroom, the hallway bath,
hallway bath.
and this bathroom.
Yes.
And so the guest bathroom or bedroom is kind of ready,
And almost the kitchen.
and almost the kitchen. And
We're getting there.
We're getting there, y'all. It's a process, and we're having a blast.
Yeah,
It's just
we are.
taking your time, and
Enjoying
honestly,
your
February is not that far away. So
Yeah.
I feel like this marathon is working out for us.
Yeah.
All right, close
All
us
right.
out.
So we love having you guys along on this project renovation, and we hope you will like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. Bye.
Bye.